by Sinag, and today I will be demonstrating to you how to utilize electronic media in facilitating learning. So let's start. First, we need to prepare the devices that we will be using. So we have here the laptop and the projector. We also have the cords. So we have we will be using the HDMI cord, the power adapter, and most importantly, the power source. So before we connect the devices, let me give you a short discussion on the devices first. Okay, so this is a laptop. It is very common. Laptop is a personalized computer that can fit on someone's lap, hence the name laptop. This is an input device. We are going to input our graphics, images, and films or videos that we wanted to project via the projector. So this is our projector. A projector is an output device. This is an optical lens device used to project images or videos onto a screen to make it bigger so that many could see. And before we proceed with connecting the laptop with the projector, let me give you a short tour on the parts of the projector. Okay, so we have here, okay, I will rotate it for you. So on the front part of the projector, you will see the lens and the lens cover. This is used to protect the lens. So this is the lens. This is responsible for projecting the images or whatever you have inputted in your laptop. So just around the lens is the zoom ring. This is used to zoom in and zoom out your presentation. On the lower part of the projector, you will see the adjustable foot. You just rotate this one if you wanted to make your presentation a bit higher or lower. You just adjust it to your preference. Okay, so on the upper part of the projector, you will see the focus ring. This focus ring will be used to make your presentation clearer. You just adjust it like this one. Okay, so also here on the upper part of the projector, you will see the control panel. In the control panel, we have different buttons. So here we have the power button. This is used to turn on and turn off the projector. We also have here the selectors sa up, right, left, and right. Up, down, left, and right rather. So we also have the source button. This is if you wanted to switch from HDMI or to the VGA cords, depending on the availability of your cords. So also in the menu button, this is if you wanted to change settings with your presentation. So after selecting from the menu button, you may press the back button. This is to return from the original settings. Okay, so on the back part of the projector, here we will see different ports. Here, the most important thing to make this projector on, so we could use the projector, is the power port. We also have here the HDMI port rather, and which we will be using today since we have the HDMI cord. We also have the VGA ports, the video and audio ports. Okay, so we also have this audio port which will be used if your presentations has audios or music. Okay, so that would be for the back portion of the projector. Okay, so that's it. That's the short discussion about the devices that we will be using. Now, we are going to connect the two devices. But first, we need to plug in the we are going to connect the projector to the power source. Okay, so we have it here. Plus, reminders, you have to be very careful when you are using the electricity because it could be very dangerous. Okay, so next we are going to connect the projector to the laptop. We are going to use the HDMI cord. We are going to connect the projector to the laptop. we have to be very careful when inserting the HDMI cord to the laptop in order to protect our devices from further damage. Okay, so we add it here. Insert. And then, now that you have connected the two, you have to turn on the projector by pressing the power button. So now that you have turned on your projector, you can see that it has projected what you have in your laptop. So if you want your presentation to go higher, you just adjust the adjustable foot, okay? So that's it. And if you want for your presentation to be bigger, you just adjust the zoom in and zoom out. Okay, that's it. So if you can see, the presentation is not clear. So you just adjust it using the focus ring. Okay, now you can see the presentation a lot clearer. So that's how, and now you can proceed with your training. So that's how you are going to utilize electronic media in facilitating learning. So, after the training, you have to turn your devices off. First, we need to press the power button to turn the projector off. Double press so it will turn off. Okay, now that it has turned off, we are going to unplug it from the power source. Again, be careful when you are handling electricity. And then we are going to also unplug the HDMI cord from the projector and the laptop. Okay, and carefully arrange it so that we can restore its functions. Okay, so that's it. So again, I am Layafra Katubay Sinag, and thank you so much.